Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Cole again here. I'm back again. So obviously, if you're new to the channel, welcome. How are you doing? My name's Cole, welcome. But if you are a returning viewer, you saw that I may have failed at getting back into YouTube already. In July, I kind of was like, all right, I'm going to make daily videos. I'm going to, grind on the channel, grind in the gym. And that lasted for about 5 days before I was like, you know what? I'm way too busy to even do this. I got way too much going on. There's no way I can find time to create content while I am so busy with life. I'm making a goal as to uploading 30 videos for 2025. I got a lot on my plate for this year. I'm excited for it, and I hope you guys are excited. In the comments, please let me know some of your goals for 2025, what you have planned, and what you hope to achieve. Without further ado, let's get into this week's video, which will have a lot going on. Starting with the fact that I need to shave my beard because I'm letting it get a little... I need to stop trying to grow this out. Just continue to shave it, and I need to cut this, Whoa, first of all, what is this receding hairline, man? This is just crazy. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. It's payday. This is awful. I think my daughter wants to say hi. Come here, Susie. Come here. Susie, come here. Oh, there she is. Hello. Say hi to the camera, Shushu. Woo! Shushu, you're almost 2 years old. Yeah, you're going to be 2 years old in February, a month from now. You're not going to be a baby anymore. No, she's going to be a big girl. Alright, yo, we're going to go ahead and get this trimmed up and shaved. Yeah, follow along. Yeah, you could check out that Vegeta hairline. Anyways, go ahead and just start by trimming off. Alright, I already look way younger. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and shave it with a blade. Alright, now for my shave, I'm using Harry's shaving cream and razor. I really recommend these 5-blade razors. They are the best. First step is getting a hot towel, hot water towel, heated towel, whatever you want to do. You want a steam towel if you're fancy, I don't know, to open up the pores on my skin. This is what content has come to for me. I'm literally just, doing a shave walkthrough. Anyways, you want to put the hot towel and press it. But I'll go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna go against the grain now. There you have it. My go-to, the aftershave I have used for so many years now is Adidas Dynamic Pulse. This is literally like my 4th bottle of this. This stuff lasts long, first of all. Just a little bit does it. Kind of like pat it in rather than rub it in. I feel like always does a better job. Because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. Alright, I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm going to meet my wife there. We're going to get a workout in. I'm going to play some basketball. Hey, throw back to high school though real quick. Alright guys, I'm back from the gym. I didn't record any content there. That's a fail on my part. About to cook up some dinner for me and my old lady. Gonna make some...
I'm not old.
It's just a figure of speech. I'm gonna make some steaks. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and flip it. Whoa! I do not marinate my meat before cooking it, although I probably should get the sides of the steaks cooked a little bit. I went ahead and cut into it, and so good. All right, YouTube, this is what I got.
You want a tortilla?
Yeah, I'll take a tortilla. This is what I got here. The eggs are a little bit messed up. I kind of messed up on those, but it's okay. This looks delicious. I'm about to eat it. My wife is going for tacos. I'm just gonna eat this with my hands, and I'll have like maybe one tortilla with it. A piece of this delicious looking steak. Dip it in this egg yolk. That is really good. Steak. I really outdid myself with this steak. This steak is delicious. And some avocado. We've come a long way from cooking with Cole. That's all I gotta say.
What's going on, guys? We're at work right now, and I'm about to take an early lunch to go get that haircut I was talking about.
As I was saying in the last clip, I'm about to leave work and go get a quick cut real quick. Cleaned up a little bit. New look for 2025. Kind of messy like top right here. What you think? Pretty crazy transformation, huh? I just hope the wife likes it.
Brutal winter system wreaking havoc, and stunning video of a semi-truck jackknifing and sliding off an icy Kansas highway coated with freezing rain. Facebook video showing another semi already off the road, and watch as this black SUV slides across a median. Another driver narrowly dodging it. By mid-afternoon, Kansas authorities clocked close to 50 crashes, nearly half with injuries. Troopers pleading with people to stay off the roads.
Watch my feet here. Ready for this? That's what we're dealing with out here.
The mayhem caused by a monster winter system already slamming Utah and South Dakota and now barreling east. Tonight, 57 million Americans are under winter storm alerts as parts of the Midwest brace for up to 16 inches of snow and temperatures 25 degrees below average.
Snowmageddon, Snow my God.
Shushu, let's go outside. Maybe not, Shushu, maybe not. What's up, vlog? It's been actually a few days since I picked up the camera, and I'm kind of disappointed with myself because I've been so just not feeling like vlogging. We got a huge winter storm blizzard on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Even on Monday, my job site was closed. My wife's work was closed. But now I'm at the gym, about to start working out and getting towards that 175 goal.
Feel the pressure inside of my mind. I don't wanna feel like this tonight. Are you down to ride? Baby, don't lie. I just wanna be there by your side. Pressure inside of my mind. I don't wanna feel like this tonight. Are you down to ride? Baby, don't lie. I just wanna be there by your side. Be there by your side. I don't wanna feel like this tonight. Wanna feel your skin drifting on mine. I don't wanna waste our life away, love. I know I can change, love. Pressure in my head, love. When I wake up, feel the pressure inside
All right, guys, this is me finishing off the workout with some abs. I did 3 sets of 20 leg raises, straight into Russian twists, and then straight into scissor kicks back to back. I just want to say a huge shout out to Ian Young for letting me use his music in today's vlog. Go check him out on Spotify. I will leave a link in the description.
I hope something good happens to you today. This is the post-workout cool down flex. With that beautiful natural light. It feels so good to cool down. I better put these away before I cause an accident because I know I'm reflective and shiny. I'm about to go head home and maybe eat some protein. All right, guys, I just got home from the gym and I'm gonna be showing you guys one of my favorite high protein snacks to eat right after the gym. A lot of people take protein shakes and stuff like that. I like to go ahead and eat tuna that comes in these little packages. This is jalapeno and it has 70 calories, only 70 calories, 2 grams of carbohydrates and 1 gram of total sugars, but 14 grams of protein. You don't have to drain it. You can literally just rip it open and dig in. It's a quick protein boost to get immediately. You can keep a package in a spoon in your gym bag, eat it, and then on your way out in your car, throw the package away, wash the spoon, you get home. Now you'll definitely have some hot tuna breath after eating this, so do with that information what you will. I'm just doing the dishes and she just looks so sad. I'm going to play with you in a little bit, okay? Okay, Susu, I'll play with you in a little bit, okay? All right, I'm gonna eat a quick little lunch, some chicken and rice, and then I'm gonna go outside and play with Shushu.
Go get it. Come here. Come here. Ready? Susie, ready? Go get it. Go get the ball. You can't get it. Shoo shoo. Let's get a different ball. Yeah, let's get a different ball. Go get it. Yeah, come here, come here. Yes. I know. Bring it. Go get it. Go get it. Get the ball, Shushu, get the ball. Bring it, bring it. Come here, come here, come here. You got a coat on? Inside. Let's go inside. Whoa. Whoa. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, you're so cold.
We just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I just wanted to go ahead again and shout out Ian Young for letting me use his song Pressure and use his music in today's video. Do me a huge favor, go check him out. I'll leave the link to his Spotify in the description. He's a Wichita artist, so he's local, and I just want to put you guys on. I really like his music, so go check him out. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.